Okay, on this section, you will learn about the use of date, date time, and time formulas. So please read through the text here. Yeah, I know it's a lot of text, but it's very useful. So please read through it and we can do the quiz together. So it's too much stuff to explain, and it's better for you to learn this yourself on your own since we are already on the advanced class, right? So we can't treat you as a kindergartner anymore. You are on the high level class now. So let's do the quiz. Okay? After reading those, you should know all the answer of this. Which one of the following statements is true for a date/time value? A date time value includes a year, month, day, and a time. It's a date time, right? Why would you use now in a formula? No, to return the current moment as date time value. Which one of these is a good use for a date time value? Birthday, date, instate, date. This is a date time. You want to find the difference between two date values. What happens if you accidentally subtract the future date from the past date? You will get a negative value. Okay, that makes sense. To display a 5:30 p.m., this one, time value, and boom. We got it, baby. I'll see you on the next video.
Hit that subscribe button and explore new Trailhead grounds and learn to implement the most useful and popular apps on the Salesforce App Exchange. And do yourself a favor, like this video and you'll be surprised on how much more you understand when watching this same video after liking it. Don't take my word. Watch this one more time after you like the video and see it for yourself. Bada bing, bada boom.